Hello everyone, my name is Yannis Stavrakakis, and in this presentation I will be talking to you about the paper titled Developing Educational Materials to Explore the Ethics of Digital Pills that myself and my colleagues Damien Gordon and Dimna O'Sullivan from TU Dublin in Ireland and Paul Gibson and Yael Jacob from Telecom Sud Paris in France have put together. Digital pills, or smart pills, are ingestible pills that incorporate sensors and other devices that transmit useful medical data to an external device. Essentially, they are a drug-device technology that combines traditional medications with monitoring that automatically records data about adherence and physiological data. They are a promising digital medicine innovation. However, their use has raised a number of ethical concerns. In this paper, we outline some of the main digital pills technologies and explore key ethical challenges surrounding their use. We introduce new educational materials, providing an insight into the technologies and ethical challenges underpinning digital pills. In this paper, we identify 7 types of digital pills. First are the medication adherence pills that try to tackle the challenge of ensuring patients' adherence to medical advice. Second are the imaging pills that are ingestible capsules that incorporate digital cameras aiming to ease the endoscopy process for patients. Then we have pills with other functions such as temperature sensing, pH monitoring, gas sensing, pressure sensing, and electrochemical sensing pills. The ethical challenges of these devices are numerous, and a key issue is privacy. Philosophical questions such as who owns resources in these spaces and what is truly private are posed as an additional level of complexity. Key challenges include the difficulty to give one's informed consent due to the complicated nature of these devices, therapeutic misconceptions due to lack of awareness of the different roles of the devices, security concerns whether, for example, the devices could be hacked, many challenges including legal issues around data management, collection, and anonymization, and finally, dependability and technical faults are the main ethical challenges around digital pills. Our research is taking place in the context of the Erasmus+ Ethics for EU project, which has as one of its aims the development of educational materials, including learning outcomes, lessons, assessments, and an instructor guide, on topics in digital ethics. Educational materials are developed following a case study methodology. Case studies provide students with an opportunity to recognize dilemmas, to employ moral imagination, promoting active learning, often requiring them to assume the role of participants. The repository of educational materials is available at ethicsforeu.eu. As you can see in this slide, the digital pills case study is broken down into 4 parts. These are the introduction, the learning objectives, the suggested teaching and assessment approaches, and suggestions for further reading. You can find the full case study in the project website if you follow the link shown here. I'll give you a very brief demo of the website. Here you can also find more information about the project, its outcomes, its resources, any upcoming events, as well as you can get in touch with the project partners and researchers. You can access the case studies if you click on the heading that says Repository. Here you can see all the case studies, or bricks, developed during the project. Now let's click on Digital Pills. Here you can see all the contents of the study and navigate through them. This page contains all the information for this topic and also the necessary guidelines for assisting educators in teaching this topic. You can find the prerequisites, the learning objectives, the proposed assessment approaches, as well as extra reading material and further suggestions. To summarize, digital pills are a promising digital medicine innovation. However, their use has raised a number of ethical concerns. We, the Ethics for EU team, are developing digital ethics educational content to educate university students about the possible ethical implications of emerging technologies. The digital pills lesson is currently being delivered to students at Institut Mines Telecom in France. Thank you for your attention, and please get in touch through our project website if you want to find out more.